Hey, it's Hannah with WTI. As a pet owner, you know that sometimes your pet can get sick or they have an injury, and it just breaks your heart to see them not be able to run and play and be happy because maybe they're recovering from something. Well, make them feel better with this amazing Get Well Soon gift box from the Paws place.
Recently, my sweet pup was recovering from an injury to her paw, so she couldn't go outside and play. So I thought this would be the perfect thing for her. It comes with a bunch of toys for large dogs, 4 different packages of treats, and even a doggy bag holder for when you are back out and about on your walks. It really just made her day, and she was so happy to get all these new toys to play with while she's stuck indoors with her injured paw. You can really pamper your furry friends and make them feel better when they're hurting, and I really love the packaging from this gift box from the Paws place.
So if you just want to pamper your pet and help them feel better soon, then this is such a great option. It will put a smile on the owner's face, and it will definitely make the pup feel so special, and they're gonna love everything in this box. I think it's a great thing to get. I really love it, and that's my point of view.